on social media, and in particular on Facebook. We have been singing every day that there is money on Facebook, and most of us have gone up to the extent of posting. At the end, you find someone with 12 million and has 0 point something or $2 in 12 million. Then you find me with 200 views. I have around $1 and something. So you ask yourself, what exactly do I need to do? Now, Facebook has changed, and it has changed a number of things. Gone are the days when you would post anything and you earn money. As you all know that being on social media is one way to make a living, is one way to make passive income, and it is one way to advertise yourself, to build a brand. But now, how do you make it? This is the thing that I'm going to be sharing with you today about monetization on Facebook, what has changed, what is making me earn what I'm earning, and what you can also do. But before that, allow me to say thank you very much for every individual there that has tried and has consistently engaged my content on Facebook, on YouTube, on TikTok, on Instagram, and above all, the individuals that have gone a step ahead to make sure that they do what we teach, the ones who have tried to practice them. Disclaimer, you guys, this video is purposely and purely for educational purposes. Most of us, you might get excited and say, okay, let me try. And whenever you go there, you find you post from Monday up to next day, you are not monetized. And then you come here, Christine, they said this and like, no. I'm giving you 2 to 10% of the tips that I'm using, and the 2% out there is using. So join the rich gang. What you need to do, you need to go ahead and make some research. If you find you can do it, this is education. I'm giving you the tips. So if you find you can do it, you do it. If you can't do it, you leave it. There are a lot of things that you can do, but get to know that this is the passive way of earning. So let's dive in and really see what has changed and what you can do. We have different, I'll be showing you around 4 to 5 or 6 things of what I'm doing. And the first one is focusing on growing my watch time and qualified views. Do you know most of us have realized whenever we see people with views, today, there's a day I was discussing with somebody, and it was like, oh, but that person has no views, no much views, so she can't earn. I came to learn that most creators, in quotes, the people who think are creators are not entrepreneurs. They are there, but they have a narrative thinking that it's views that give them money. When you really know this secret, you'll go far. We have views and we have qualified views. So you can find yourself, you have views, but they are not qualified. If I get time, you make me remember, I'll be showing you. Or if you want to see what I mean by being qualified, you can write it in the comment section. You'll find someone has 1 million views, but the qualified one are 20 views. What brings that? I always tell you, having views doesn't qualify you to have money, or doesn't qualify you to think that your content is known. Someone can come, open your video, it has not gone up to 5 seconds. And for Facebook, for your view to qualify, you have to have 5-second view duration. That is the qualified view. And here I say they were focusing on rewarding creators with original content, because most people had taken away the bread, because they just go and get viral content, they post it. At the end of the day, you find the public want those viral things, the dirty, the controversial ones. So everybody is posting it. So for you who is posting your original content, or who is adding value to the other viral content, you'll get less views because people are not interested in watching variable things. So at the end of the day, they earn more and you earn less. But behold, now Facebook has joined the gang of creators and is appreciating them. It says they want to drive every creator to do at least to be original, to add value, not getting a video and just press there. So from today you get to know that for you creating your own video, it makes you at least it makes you your view be appreciated and Facebook will be recommending it. Like I've been recognized as an original creator several times and I'm proud of it. Note this, being an original creator doesn't mean that you get something no one has ever talked about it or no one has ever given it, no one has ever taught it, and you bring it here. No, you can even bring this same topic that I'm talking about, but you bring it in your voice, you bring it in your own way, you add value, not just bringing this video and post it. So here, why I earn more is about growth of watch time. So this is what you should focus on. Whatever you go to post, you make sure it has a duration. So what do you think you can do here for you to emphasize and get this right? One, you have to optimize your content for earnings. I'm always talking about optimization of the content. How do you optimize your content, your reels, your post, your blogs? At least let them be at least 10 seconds longer, not less than 10 seconds. If it is less than 10 seconds, it will not qualify to be monetized. Then when people are watching, at least they have to watch half of it. So meaning if someone watches less than 5 seconds, is not eligible. I always tell you people, if you cannot watch my video, don't open it, because people will see you have views and you don't have money. You've seen people are there and me without views, but people have watched, I have money. So get to know this. Then you can also experiment with different opening lines or visuals to see what keeps viewers watching longer. Recently, one of my friends gave me a question on TikTok, but before I answered, my phone went off. That he was wondering, I'm into teachings, but why do I bring, like on Facebook, I bring in some items that are not relevant? One, why you should bring in some things that keep people watching, them not get bored. If you go into drunkards and you're going to teach them how not to drink, you cannot start within a day. You have to first get their attention. So I always get your attention and people's attention on Facebook with a different what they love. I know what you love right now on Facebook, so I give them what they love, and then I bring what I'm supposed to give you. So I keep you engaged. So, and also for you to earn, please review your post insights. I always do it. You'll put a post and you feel it is nothing. Then you find its earning rate is $2. Then another one, you feel it, I've done the best. Earning dollars is less than 0.1. That means you're working for nothing. Remember, why we are here is to make money. So we need to maximize our earnings. How do we maximize our earnings? One, we update our stories. Story is monetized. Two, we can send out to story to create them. Then we can also go ahead and earn and focus on earning bonuses. And even we can also grow our reach by posting in relevant relevant groups. All these ones are like pro tips, but the best thing to do is to focus on creating your original content, and you share them. It is wonderful. You guys